Everyone looks at Adam, but almost no one notices this in Eve. At first glance, this scene looks simple. God creates Eve from Adam, but Michelangelo didn't paint things randomly. Every detail here is intentional. Look at Adam, then look at God, and now Eve. Something feels different. Eve isn't just created, she's already aware, already conscious. Look at her expression. She's not confused, she's not lost. She understands what's happening. Now compare that to Adam. He's passive, relaxed, almost unaware. But Eve is upright, focused, engaged. This contrast is not accidental. Michelangelo is showing something deeper. Not just creation, but hierarchy. Eve is closer to God, more connected, almost as if she receives something Adam doesn't. And once you notice this, you realize this painting is not just about creation, it's about awareness, and now you can't unsee it. But this is just one secret. There are many more hidden in the Sistine Chapel. Subscribe to the Genius Code